With their beaks they search around. Twigs and treasures must be found. Pick a feather soft and sweet, something gentle for their seat. Tiny leaves and strands of hay, carried carefully away. Branch to branch they dart and dash, hear the gentle flutter splash. Up they go with all their might, working morning, noon, and night. Mama birdie hums a song, Papa birdie sings along. Together in the sun they play, building homes in their own way. Round and round the nest they twine, making edges neat and fine. Weaving, talking, pulling tight, till it fits just right at night. High upon a leafy tree, safe and strong it's meant to be.